In this advanced world, smart appliances have transitioned from being a luxury to an essential part of life. When it comes to laundry, contemporary washing machines are advancing beyond mere fabric cleaning. Thanks to the incorporation of artificial intelligence, front-loading washing machines are now more intelligent, efficient, and user-friendly. They can automatically identify fabric types, optimize washing cycles, and even minimize water and energy usage, all while providing an exceptional washing experience. In this video, I will be discussing 5 amazing AI-powered washing machines that you can consider to buy. So do stick to the video till the end and let me know in the comment section which washing machine did you like the most. And for all the washing machines, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. Bosch Anti-Stain and AI Active Front-Loading Washing Machine comes with a 9 kg capacity, 5-star energy rating, 1200 RPM motor, 14 wash programs, software paddles and soft touch buttons. Bosch Anti-Stain and AI Active Water is a fully automatic front-loading washing machine with the best and most hygienic wash quality. This fully automatic front-loading washing machine is suitable for large Indian families, and it is a 5-star rated for energy efficiency, and Bosch offers 2 years of warranty on the appliance. 1200 RPM spin speeds help in better water extraction, and 14 wash programs is there, including steam, antibacteria, delicates, synthetics and more. Offer customized washing. The machine has an inbuilt heater for hot wash, soft kit paddles, anti-vibration side panels, eco-silent drive and anti-rodent body. Many users have given an excellent review for this particular product on Amazon and Flipkart. So if you want to buy, links are provided in the description. IFB 8 kg powered by AI, and this is an amazing washing machine that comes powered by AI, 2x steam power, 9 swivel wash, eco inverter motor, Wi-Fi and voice enabled, and 5-star energy rating. This fully automatic AI-powered front-loading washing machine comes with a 8 kg capacity, which is suitable for large families. It is powered by AI and neural network-based algorithms that detects fabric's type and weight, and based on that, it washes it. It can optimize the wash duration, water level, wash actions, and level of gentleness. The machine is a 5-star rated and it is powered by 1200 RPM motor. There are 10 wash programs for customized washing, and IFB offers a 4-year comprehensive warranty. Smart AI features include power steam, 9 swivel check, 30-minute steam refresh, warm soak, and self-diagnosis on experiencing any issue. Many of the users have given excellent rating, and they have commented also as an excellent product and amazing washing quality also. LG ThinQ AI powered washing machine. LG ThinQ is an amazing washing machine that comes with a 9 kg capacity, 1200 RPM motor, Wi-Fi connectivity, stainless steel drum, 14 wash programs, and intelligent fabric care. The LG ThinQ AI powered front-loading washing machine is a fully automatic washing machine for laundry needs. It comes with a 9 kg capacity and a 5-star rated for energy efficiency. LG offers 2 years of comprehensive warranty on the machine and 10-year warranty on the motor. The washer dryer gets a 1200 RPM motor, and there are 14 wash programs for every kind of washing needs. Pulsator type drum built of stainless steel lasts longer and keeps the insides of the washing machine hygienic. There is an LED display that allows easy operation, and Wi-Fi connectivity reduces allergens from your clothes smartly. So this is a worth buying, and the washing cleaning is also amazing from this washing machine. Samsung AI Ecobubble washing machine. Samsung AI Ecobubble front-loading washer claims to 70% energy saving and offer 45% better fabric care. Comes with the 14 quick wash programs, inbuilt heater, DIT motor, Wi-Fi connectivity, 9 kg capacity, and 5-star energy rating. Samsung AI Ecobubble front-loading washing machine comes with a 9 kg capacity, making it suitable for large families. It is 5-star rated for energy efficiency, and it is powered by AI energy mode and digital inverter technology for energy savings. Samsung offers a 2-year comprehensive warranty and a 20-year digital inverter motor warranty, and packs a 1400 RPM motor for faster washing and drying. The machine comes with the 14 wash programs and has a diamond drum that creates a gentle environment for the gentle washing of clothes. AI control LED touch panel allows easy operation. The machine comes with exceptional performance, and it is highly recommended. Hire all-in-one washer and dryer. An AI-based machine. Comes with a 525mm super drum, 16 wash programs and Wi-Fi connectivity, pure steam for 99.9% of bacteria removal, direct motion motor, 5-star energy rating, and front loading. Hire all-in-one washer and dryer comes with the biggest drum 525, offering more space, tangle-free laundry, and 25% better wash quality. The direct motor runs silently, reduces vibrations, and ensures efficient and reliable washing. AVT eliminates 98.8% of allergen microbes for a clean and hygienic wash, while the Puri steam removes 99.9% bacteria. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to select cycles, start, stop, wash, check time, and get laundry alerts from your phone. The washing machine offers a customized laundry experience with a 16 wash programs, and its 11 kg wash and a 7 kg dry capacity makes it suitable for large families. Overall, it's a great washing machine. So these are the 5 amazing AI-based washing machines that you can consider to buy. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.